3.6 adds 4 exciting, unique instruments powered by Steinberg's HALion that will take your productions to a whole new level. In this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of them all. The beautiful and free LoFi Piano, the huge sound palette of HALion Sonic Selection, a powerful workstation synthesizer, and with the Neo FM and FM Classics instruments, we will travel from the classic legendary DX7 and TX81Z sounds to modern FM synthesis soundscapes. And of course, you can enjoy all of this in Cubasis 3.6 on iOS, Android, and Chrome OS. Let's check out the sounds. So let me play a few of the sounds that you can find in HALion Sonic Selection, but if you're interested in listening to more of the sounds for any of the instruments that I'm going to play here today, we've done dedicated videos, so feel free to check them out. Let's try an HALion guitar first. Add some reverb. Drums. Let's try an electric piano. This beautiful Yamaha S90 ES piano. Synths. So as you can tell, HALion Sonic Selection is a workstation synthesizer inside Cubasis. Strings. Let's try some synth basses. The next instrument that we have available as an in-app purchase for Cubasis 3.6 is the FM Classics. And with this instrument, you get the original legendary sounds of the DX7 and the TX81Z inside Cubasis on your mobile device. So I'm going to play just a few of these legendary classic DX7 sounds. So this is an unmistakably classic DX7 brass sound. But unlike the DX7, over here we have effects. So as you can see, we can have a chorus, delay, reverb, and of course, we can change the mode levels, the feedback, the mode times, and the carrier times. So it's very easy to tweak the sound and make it your own. Let's play a few more sounds. Bells. so expressive as well. And of course, let's try an EP. The third instrument I want to play for you today is Neo FM, and this contains modern, cutting-edge FM sounds powered by FM Lab. Let's listen to a few of them. And these kinds of instruments with this kind of quality can be found inside Cubasis now. So as you can see, we have a lot of quick edit controls here in order to be able to shape the sound exactly how we want to. And you will see that every preset has different kinds of controls. So depending on the sound, you will find that these controls do something different and something really cool. For example, let's try this one. You know, huge bass, but let's see the mod times. And now the last instrument that I'm going to play for you today, and this is the LoFi Piano, and this instrument is entirely free. So if you have Cubasis 3.6, you can go ahead and download LoFi Piano entirely for free. Do it now, it's a really amazing instrument. Let's play a few of the presets. And like with all the instruments that I played for you today, LoFi Piano is extremely easy to use. So as you can see, we have all the different controls here: flutter, compression, saturation, reduction, filter, and reverb. And we can change the reverb type and add more reverb. So the hallway is a really nice one. I can compress the sound, introduce flutter to create this kind of wonky effect. And best of all, it's free. I hope you have fun with all the new instruments that we have available in Cubasis 3.6. I hope you make some great music with them. And don't forget to check out the dedicated videos for each one of these instruments to get more information about them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.